Hello, I'm Avery, and today I'm going to show you how I make my pixel art characters. So this is basically all the characters I've made so far. So we have like we have all these characters that I'm going to use for my game. We have these Pokemon characters, and today I'm going to show you how to make this character here. I think his name's Hilbert. He's from Pokemon Black and White. So I already have all the colors that I need. So the first thing I usually do is I draw the head, and I do that by taking this I take the brush and make it 8 pixels wide, and then I draw like a little head shape, and that's usually good enough for just to start. And then I'm gonna draw the ribs, and for that I just bring it down to 4, and I draw like the shoulders, and then I go down and draw. Let's do more centered ribs, and then I draw the hips, which are like usually there, and I think that's good. And then I'll just draw the torso shape, and then I draw the legs, and usually I set it to 4 pixels and hold shift to draw a line, and then I do it for the other side too, and maybe make the torso a bit taller. And then yeah, that's basically what I do, and I think that looks pretty good already. So now we're gonna do the arms and the neck, and I select the background and change the color a bit to make sure that they don't overlap. And I'll draw the arm. I think that's pretty good, and then I'll draw the other arm holding. I'm gonna make him hold a Pokeball, and I think that's that good. I'm gonna try again. Yeah, that's good. So I'm gonna make it a little wider. Okay, that's nope. Okay, there we go. So now we have that, and maybe erase. Yeah, okay, okay. I'll stop messing with that. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm going to start drawing the facial features and accessories. So I'm gonna draw the eyes, and they're like this. I just drew them this aqua color. I don't know if that's actually how his eyes are. I just thought that would be cool. So now I'm gonna shade him a little bit, and oh yeah, I forgot to draw the neck. So we're gonna do this little 5 pixel wide and move it over, and yeah, I think that's pretty good. And maybe change the head shape. And now I'm going to draw his hat, and it's red and gray and white, so I'm going to draw the red first and bring it up like that. I think that's pretty good. And then the white, and then just the brim, which I'm going to shade a little bit with these colors. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the little symbol on his hat. It's too small to like do detailing, but it's supposed to be like a Pokeball symbol. So now I'm going to do the hair, and for this hair, I just usually draw it like that. And then I got up here, little pixel art hair, and then shade it. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now we're gonna do the jacket, and the first thing I'm gonna draw is the zipper, and I'll draw it starting here. I'll draw down. I think that's good. And then if we look at him, he has this little area here where his shirt shows. So I'm gonna draw that. Maybe move it up a little bit and fill that in. And then draw the line for his shirt. And that's pretty good, I think. Maybe move that to the side a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna get out the blue, and I'm gonna draw the outline of his shirt. So I got the wrists and this. Okay, so that's pretty good. And now I'm gonna draw his like neck area thing here. So that's basically it. And maybe move it a little bit to the side because it's like off center. Okay, so now I have this character, and I'm gonna draw the shading for his sweatshirt, and then maybe the little ridges. That looks pretty good. And then the creases. And that's pretty good. So now we gotta draw the satchel bag thing. Let's just make it a little bit wider, a little bit lower, I mean. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw the satchel, and it's gray. So I'm gonna draw it like this down here, and I guess this probably like this. That's pretty good. And then I can shade it a little bit. And if we look, it has this white line on it. So let's just take that color and draw the line. Maybe make it. That's pretty good. Okay, so now we drew the bag, and now let's draw the pants. So got the pants. Make it a little wider. Yeah, I forgot to give him eyebrows. I gotta better do that or it'll look kind of weird. Okay, so now we can draw the middle part here. I don't really know what it is. It's just like the seam on the pants, and then we can draw the creases on the pants too. I think that's good. Here, that's good too. Okay, so now we can draw the shading. Shading is important. And we can draw the shading over here. And now I think, yeah, we forgot to do the shading on the torso. The oops, shading on the the coat. Okay, so now let's do the boots. And if we look, the boots are red and dark gray and white. So we can do red, dark gray. Let's just do that first. So I put this here. I think that's pretty good. That's the other way around. Yeah, it's the other way. It's the red and then the black. Okay. And then that's good. And then I just put the white on the bottom for like the soles. Okay, so that's good. And now I can just draw a Pokeball. And to do that, it's white and black and red, I think. So I'll do white, red, and then add a little bit of shading and add black. A little bit of like light. Okay, so that's pretty good. And now I'm gonna put it in his hand. And I can outline everything by selecting him, grabbing the black, because that's the color I want the outline to be, and pressing Shift-O. And that'll give me an outline. That looks really good. I did a really good job on this. And then I can fill the outline in here. That's good. Okay. So yeah, this is basically how I make the characters in my game.